To register a BACnet pack, you will need to be logged into the panel using an installer code. To log into the panel as an installer, press F4 to select the main menu. Using the jog dial button, turn the dial and select a user which has the installer credentials. Now press the jog dial button to scroll down to the password option. Using the jog dial button, select the correct password for the user. To do this, simply turn the jog dial button to select the correct number, and by pressing the jog dial button will move the cursor to the next digit. Now press the jog dial button or F4 to enter into the installer menu. Using the jog dial button, select Panel Setup, then press the button. Now select Panel Active Key, then press the button. Press the button to select Register New Pack. Now connect your BACnet pack into the USB port and press F4 to select Continue. The panel will now display the pack part number, the pack serial number and the panel serial number. Now press F4 again to select Register, to register the new pack. Select Yes, then press the jog dial button. Press F3 to select Apply. For further information including the ZP2 BACnet Protocol Guide, visit www.firesecurityproducts.com. Simply type into the search box, RMBN.